Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, I will repair this white iPhone 12 Pro. You can see that back cover glass of this phone has been broken. I will repair this phone with the brand new back cover. Now let's start disassembling this phone. We first remove two screws at the bottom of the phone. After hitting the phone screens, use a tool to open little gap. Turn on the screen after pick is inserted. Then we need to remove the screen cable baffle screws. Remove the baffle. Continue to remove the earpiece cable baffle screw. After removing the baffle, disconnect the battery cable from the screen cable and then disconnect the earpiece cable. Remove the screen. Now you can see this iPhone 12 Pro intershell structure. We continue to disassemble the camera module baffle. After removing the baffle, disconnect the camera module cable and remove the camera module. Remove the baffle screws of the SIM card holder and the baffle screws of the cable, and disconnect the SIM cable after removing the baffle. After removing the fixing screw of the SIM card holder, take out the SIM card holder. Then we disconnect the front camera module cable one by one and take out the front camera. Continue to remove the 4 screws that screw the speaker and take out the speaker. Remove 3 screws fixing the tapping acne, disconnect the cable and take out the vibration motor. Now comes one of my favorite steps. Unplug the tab on the back of the battery and then remove the battery. We then remove the fixing baffle screws of the millimeter wave antenna. Because the millimeter wave antenna is connected to the motherboard, we need to disconnect all cable on the motherboard. Then unscrew the screws that fix the motherboard so that the motherboard and the millimeter wave antenna can be taken out. Remove the screws fixing the leader cover. Remove the lid and take out the leader. We then take out the wireless charging module. Because it is connected to the value button cable and the power button cable. First remove the fixing screws that fix the value button and the power button, and then take out the wireless charging module. We continue to disassemble the rear charging port and the microphone module. And the whole module can be removed after all lamps are unscrewed. Now all parts of the whole machine are completely disassembled. Now start installation. Install the wireless charging module first and fix the value button and the power button cable screws. Then install the vibration motor. Tighten the fixing screws. Cover the cover. Tighten the cover screws. Cut the speaker waterproof rubber ring. Install the speaker and tighten the fixing screws. Then install the motherboard and the millimeter wave antenna. Then tighten the motherboard fixing screws and the millimeter wave baffle fixing screws. Press the tail socket cable, side button cable, Wi-Fi cable, and the NFC cable. Then install the SIM card holder. Press the SIM card holder cable. Install the cover and tighten the screws. Install the leader and press the cable. After fixing leader screws, continue to install the front camera assembly and the rear camera assembly. After pressing the camera module cable, cover the baffle and fix the baffle screws. Then install the battery. You need to install a new adhesive on the battery. After aligning the battery cable, install the battery. Remove the Face ID protection sticker. Place the installed brand new screen glue. After tearing off the protective file, install the screw cable, hand disk cable and battery cable. Install the baffle and tighten the screws. The installation of this phone has been completed. Just buckle the screw. Install the 10 screws to turn on the phone for testing.